Welcome to another video from computerlabspace. In the last session, we managed to modify the UI with checkbox and get the reference of the checkbox in the main activity. In this session, we will continue the implementation of storing data into external storage volume and read the same data when we launch the application. So here we can see we added the checkbox in the last session, and when we check this checkbox and click on save, it will go to on click method, and in that we are calling the right username, and so in the right username method we are checking whether the checkbox is checked and it is mounted. If it is mounted, we are checking the SDK version should be greater than or equal to lollipop. So that means 21, I guess. Lollipop, we can see that. What is that? Yeah, 21. So if it is greater than 21, then we are writing into external storage. So in the last video, we have captured a couple of informations: file name, absolute path, whether it's removable or not. So I have explained why we added this requires API with lollipop because of this line of code. I have given the comment here. So today we will write our username into the external storage volume and read the same thing from that. Okay, now I have the file array with reference to external storage. What I will do, I'll first have the condition and check whether external storage volume not equal to null and external storage volumes dot length greater than 0. So then what I will do, I will get the reference. So that reference will be directory, right? I'll get the first element in that array. So that will be our primary external storage volume. So I got the directory and I have to create the file inside this directory. So now what I will do, I will create the file. I have the directory dot get path, and I'll use the file separator. Sorry, what is that? Yeah, file dot separator, and I'll add my file name. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, now I have the file, so I'll write my username into this file. So how we can write? I'll use the file output stream. Simple. File output stream. The first new file output stream, and I'll pass this file. Done. So we have to put it inside try catch block. Okay, next fos dot write, and where is our username? So we have the username, right? Username dot get bytes. Okay, so again add one more IO stream exception. IO exception. Okay, done. So now when we add our username and check the checkbox and click on save, it will write into the external storage. We are getting the reference and it is stored in the external storage. So now once we store, and we'll close the app, and when we relaunch the app, we have to read that from the same location, right? So now we will do that. So this is in on create method. So we are doing is username file exist, right? So here what I will do, I'll rename this is username file exists. Instead of this, I will rename to is username file exist in internal storage. Okay, I'll refactor and rename is username file exist in internal storage. Okay, done. If that is present in internal storage, it will read from the internal storage. Otherwise, I'll check if it is present in external storage. Exist in external storage. I'll add it here. Public boolean. Okay, so now here we need the reference of the external storage volume, right? So I'll get it from here. I'll take the same piece of code, put it here. Next, I'll iterate it. Okay. Here, so this will have the directory. First, I have to check whether this is a directory. So it's simple. File dot is directory. If it is directory, get the file list from the directory, right? This will be external file. From this external file, I will get the list files. Okay, I have the files. Now I'll iterate this file. Okay, I got the individual file inside the directory. Okay, now I'll have the condition saying that file dot get name dot equal ignorant against my file name. I'll check the each file name against our file name and see whether that matches. If that matches, return true. Okay, otherwise return false. Okay, so now we got this is username. If it is true, then it will come inside, and here we will get the username and read username. So here, instead of writing the separate code to read from the external storage, so what we can do, we can reuse this read username method. So I'll slightly modify this. See, this one line of code will be different for internal and external while reading. Okay, so I'll take out this and I'll put it in internal storage, internal read. Where is that internal read, internal storage, write username, read username. Okay, so what I will do, if it is okay, if it is username file present in internal storage, I'll keep it here. So this one, for this we have to pass the FIS. Okay, FIS is a file input stream. So what I will do, I'll rename this file name, method name to refactor rename read username from input stream. So now this becomes common method for both internal and external storage. Okay, just I have to accept the input stream and pass that here. Okay, so now if I pass the input stream, this method will return the username for me. That's it, simple. Same code for both purpose. So similar thing, what I will do, I'll take this, copy, put it here. Instead of this open file output, I need external file reference, correct? So what I will do, I'll file external file reference, and initially it will be null. This external file reference, how we can obtain is, so we are getting this, we are comparing this file name, right? So here what I will do, this dot and file, assign this file, the current file, to the external file reference. So we will get the actual external file with the file name matching to this file underscore name. So now I got the external file reference, and I'll pass that external file reference to file input stream. File input stream, external file reference, done. Done. Okay, so our code is done. Now we have to run this and see whether this works or not. Okay, now we will check. I'll open the logcat. Okay, so here username is empty. I'll type the username. Yes, select the checkbox, click on save. Yes, it is saved. Okay, so now what I will do, I will close this app. I will clear this, clear everything. Okay, now I will relaunch this. When we relaunch this app, what this will do, it will check whether the username file present in the internal storage. If it is present in internal storage, it will pick it from here. Okay, if it is present inside the external storage, it will pick it from external storage. Okay, but now we don't have it in internal storage because we stored it in external storage. Okay, let's see, I will relaunch this. Okay, something is happening, so that means our username has not written in external storage. Okay, so we will see what is happening. Did we write properly? Verify that first. Okay, we will get the directory 0, then new file path we are giving next file output stream, then we are writing that username. Okay, now okay, wait guys, wait. Now for this input stream reader, we are passing the file FIS. Okay, and it will return so we will write it again. computerlabspace, click on external storage, save. Okay, file name files is removable false. Okay, and we are checking not equal to null, greater than equal to 0. Okay, fine. So what we will do now, close this, open this. Okay, so what we will do, we will run it in debug mode. So we will analyze the code, what is happening. I'll put the breakpoint here, and on click save, write username, write into external, from here to internal storage, that's not required, this one. Okay, it is launched. So launch the app, type the username, computerlabspace, click on external storage, click on save. What happened? Okay, clear all, launch the app, as it came, right? computerlabspace, something happened, I guess. So now if you see, it's loaded when we launch the app. Okay, what I will do, I will clear all, I close the app, I'll open it again. Super, the data is displaying, but we'll see why it is not working in debug mode. Okay, what I will do, I will click on debug, launch succeeded, Okay, see, it is coming now. It is coming. Okay, fine. So now we will see whether it is present inside internal storage or external storage. Okay, the username present in the external storage. We have the external file reference. Okay, if you see here, storage emulated /0 android data, our project path, package path, files, user underscore name. This is our actual file name. Cool, it's working. Okay, here if you see the username, it is reading from the username. Okay, displaying. Now what I'll do, I'll change this username. computerlabspace YouTube channel. So I'll save it in internal storage. Okay, click on save, write username, okay, I think it is done. So now I'll clear the app, I'll relaunch the app. See, we are getting this. Super, it is working. So that's it guys for this session. In the next video I'll show you how we can store it in SD card. When I'll connect to the mobile, I'll insert the SD card, and we will do I'll show the demo how this code works when we have the SD card. So we have to modify slightly one line code change, and that I will show you in the next session. So until that, goodbye guys. So please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.